don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering the Jordan 5 Off-White. These are the first Jordan 5s that Virgil puts his special sauce on. I feel like he killed these shits. At first when I saw them, I was kind of skeptical, on the fence about it, but after seeing them on feet, I feel like he definitely did these justice in his own cheese graded way. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can buy these manually and how you can secure them with a bot, specifically Addict.io, which is the sponsor of this video today. But if you do end up enjoying this video, man, leave it a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time we post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So first, I'm gonna talk about how you can buy these sneakers manually, because I feel like a lot of people are inclined to do that, but I do also want to talk about the fact that Addict.io is the most popular and most reliable iOS bot out to this date. I'm gonna cover it more in detail when I talk about why you should buy this bot. I do feel like when it comes to these hyped releases, is mainly up to chance or up to what bot you have, and when it comes to iOS, this is the best bot. Because of Addict.io, I actually was able to secure this bandana box logo last season. They came through for me and a whole bunch of other people when it came to Supreme season, and since Supreme is coming right around the corner, you definitely don't want to miss out on this bot. But first, let's go ahead and talk about how you can manually secure the Off-White Jordan 5s. So basically, there's not that many options when it comes to these sneakers. There are a couple precautions and a couple steps that you can take before the release date to make sure that you're more prepared than the next man. One of those things being creating an account on the Off-White website. This is something that I didn't usually do before, but I found out that when you do this, you have a higher chance at purchasing the sneaker. So create an account and put all your information in it. This is for Off-White. What you're gonna want to do is follow Virgil Abloh on Twitter, follow Soul Links and the J23 app. Those are three people that normally say when the sneaker's releasing, like as soon as it happens, you got to be on it. Make sure you turn on your post notifications for them on Twitter, because you can go ahead and get the access as soon as it releases. But those are a couple steps that you can do as far as the Off-White website. One of the issues with these sneakers is the fact that they're gonna do mainly raffles for them. That is a plus when it comes to the sneakers app, because normally with bots, you can go ahead and flood the sneakers app with different accounts, but since it's gonna be a draw only, you can just have the amount of accounts that you have. So for me, I'm gonna have like 3 or 4 accounts that I can actually enter the draw with. I'm so amped about this sneaker release because I feel like it's actually a pretty decent one from Off-White, and it's something completely different than he has done in the past. He normally just takes shit and flip it upside down, inside out, all around so that it looks different than the original one. I do like the way that he made the sneaker look in general though. But as far as the sneakers app, all you can really do is enter on as many accounts as you have. Make sure your size is already set. Make sure everything is already there. I don't know if coming early to a draw is better. I honestly don't know exactly how that works. Just make sure that you're up at 10 a.m. and on there. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have like 10 to 15 minutes to enter the draw. Mostly every other website is gonna have the sneaker up for raffles. I am gonna link the raffles in the description, so you guys should go ahead and check that out. Enter as many as you possibly can to up your chances at buying these. There's gonna be Instagram raffles, there's gonna be website raffles, and I'm pretty sure you can hit if you do every single step. But besides that, there's not really much you can do as far as a manual user goes. So I do want to cover why you should buy Addict.io. When it came to Supreme, this got me a box logo, so I can definitely vouch for this company that they are most likely gonna secure some of these Off-White Jordan 5s. I'm gonna talk about some of the perks of getting this bot and why it ups your chances at buying hyped releases like the Jordan 5 that's going to be releasing on Saturday. So first of all, something that I do want to say is that Addict.io supports 85 different websites, including Supreme, Bape, Undefeated, Kith, and many more. They just implemented this autofill feature where basically you click on the website that you want to purchase from and you'll automatically have all your information saved for that website. It'll get you through way quicker. When it comes to Supreme, you can bypass Pookie by using this bot. If you don't know, Pookie is Supreme's bot detection, so you can bypass that by using Addict.io. This bot actually uses advanced technology to get you through and get you that W on these hyped releases releases. Another thing that I do want to say is that the renewal fee for this bot is none. You buy this bot once and you keep it forever. The price is $130 if I'm not mistaken. With my 10% off code, it would be like $117, $120. And if you don't have the $120 up front, you can set up a payment plan so that you pay this in 4 months. You would end up paying like $27 or $28 for 4 months, and then you have the bot. But think about it, if you buy this bot and you manage to cook up the Jordan 5 off-whites, off the rip it's paid for. Like, I got this bot and I got the box logo literally a couple days after. It's automatically paid for if I were to sell this right here. I wanted to go over some features that are included in Addict.io. You can basically run unlimited tasks so that you can have the most possible chances at cooking up the hyped item that you're going for. Addict is actually request based, so even if you're not on there or it goes down or something happens, your request will go through. And that's honestly what happened with the Supreme thing. It said that it crashed or that it didn't work, but it actually did end up copying for me. And if I wasn't going to be able to get the first release, they actually do have a restock mode, so whenever it loads back up, you're first to get it. And a lot of people cooked up with the restocks. For this Supreme season, I'm honestly looking forward to using the in-store sign up bypass, where basically they get you through the sign up. It's easy and simple, and we should have a way higher chance of getting in the store. But like I was saying, I would definitely recommend you to check out Addict.io for iOS if you are looking to secure the Jordan 5 off-whites this upcoming weekend. I feel like this is definitely a must, and it's not even that expensive, $130. And if you don't have it all in one, you split it into 4 different payments of $32, and that's without my promo code, which is going to give you guys 10% off. I'm going to put it right here in case you are interested, and I'm going to link them at the top of the description so you guys can go ahead and check them out and let me know once you succeed. I gave you guys the different options between buying these manually or upping your chances by getting Addict.io. But if you are planning on purchasing the bot, make sure you do it quick because they do sell out. They're super limited, so if you want to check them out, make sure you check it out now in the description. But if you did enjoy this video, man, leave it a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.